Hello students, welcome back to the second part of the lesson number 8, The Grey Stone from your Gulmohar Reader book. I hope children you have enjoyed the story of the grey stone who found its way to a little girl's house whose name was Amanta, and it got a name and took a place inside her house. Today we are going to do the exercise of this lesson. So let us move to the exercises. Exercise number 1, understanding the text. Answer these questions using the words in brackets. Children, in this exercise, there are some words given in the bracket. You have to use these words to make answers. First one. How did the stone reach the doormat? What are the words given in the bracket? Roads kicked here and there. Children, where was the stone at first? It was on the road. Then one day a little girl whose name was Amanta kicked that stone here and there till it reached the doormat. So let us see the answer. The stone was on the road. It was kicked here and there by Amanta till it reached the doormat. Now let us move to next question. What did the stone do in the house? What are the words given in the bracket? Corner watched. The stone sat in a corner of the house and it listened to the various sounds and it watched different sights inside the house. So let us see the answer. The stone sat in a corner of the house. It listened to the sounds and watched the sights inside the house. Now let us move to next question. How did the stone disguise itself? What are the words given in the bracket? Amanta's velvet cap, scarf, boots. Children, what's the meaning of disguise? Disguise means change the way you look so that nobody knows who or what you are. Then how did the stone disguise itself? Who helped it? The mice, Amanda's velvet cap, the scarf and the boots helped it to disguise itself. So let us see the answer. The mice dragged Amanda's velvet cap and pulled it over the stone. The scarf fell down from behind the door and wrapped itself around the stone. Amanda's boots moved in front of the stone. This is how the stone disguised itself. Now let us move to next question. What did Amanta and her father see inside the stone? What are the words given in the bracket? Ferns, tiny, beautiful leaves. What did they see? They saw a beautiful tiny leaves of the fern plant. So let us see the answer. Amanta and her father saw a fern with its tiny beautiful leaves inside the stone. Now let us move to next exercise. Read the sentences and correct them. Children, sentences of this exercise are taken from the story, but highlighted sentences are written wrong. You have to correct them as like in the story. First one, the stone, this is my life. In this question, which line is wrong? This is my life. How it is written in the story? This is real life. Now second, the stone, I want a little comfort when I grow old. Which line is wrong? I want a little comfort when I grow old is written wrong. How it is written in the story? I want a little comfort in my old age. Now third, Amanda's mother. What is that stone? What is that stone is written wrong. How it is written in the story? What's the stone doing here? Now fourth, Amanda's father. It's one of the best fossils I have ever found. In this question, the lines, it's one of the best fossils I have ever found is written wrong. How it is written in the story? This is a fossil. Children, before moving to a next exercise, we will learn what are conjunctions. Do you know, children, there are some magic words in English language to connect to different words or phrases or sentences. These magic words are called conjunctions. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. The words and, but, or, because and so are conjunctions or connecting words. Children, there are many more conjunction words are in the grammar, but today we are going to learn these conjunction words. What are they? And, but, or, because and so. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. For example, I like chocolate and bananas. Children, in this sentence, and is the connecting word. That is called conjunction. And it connects two words together. Chocolate and bananas. Both are nouns. Second, my brother can play the violin and he can sing. In this sentence, the connecting word is and. It connects two sentences together. What are the two sentences? My brother can play the violin. He can sing. These are the two sentences. Now, next. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. For example, I like oranges, but I don't like strawberries. Children, this sentence is showing us something which are opposite in nature. What are the opposite in nature in this sentence? I like oranges, I don't like strawberries. For opposite nature, opposite ideas, we use conjunction word but. So here in this, but is used. I like oranges, but I don't like strawberries. Now next, my sister can ride a bicycle, but she can't drive. This sentence also showing something which are opposite in nature. What are the opposite in nature in this sentence? My sister can ride a bicycle. She can't drive. These are the opposite nature in this sentence. So, for opposite ideas or opposite nature, we use conjunction word but. My sister can ride a bicycle, but she can't drive. Now next, we use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, would you like tea or coffee? Children, in this sentence, there is a choice. What are the choice here? Tea or coffee. You can have tea, you can have coffee. For showing choice of two sentences, two words, we use conjunction or. Would you like tea or coffee? Now next, we can go the zoo on Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. Children, in this sentence also there is a choice. What are the choice here? Saturday afternoon, Sunday morning. So children, for showing choice, we have to use conjunction word or. We can go the zoo on Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. We use because to express a reason for something. For example, I passed the test because I studied hard. Children, second part of this sentence is telling us that what I did, I studied hard. What is the result of it? I passed the test. What is the reason for passing the test? Because I studied hard. That is why I passed the test. For showing, for expressing reason for something, we use the connecting word because. So, I passed the test because I studied. Now, second, he was sick because he had played football in the rain. In this sentence, the second part says what the boy did. What the boy did? He had played football in the rain. What is the result for it? He was sick. What is the reason for sick? He had played football in the rain. Here also, for expressing reason, we have to use connecting word because. He was sick because he had played football in the rain. She went to bed early because she was very tired. The second part of this sentence also says that she was very tired. That is the reason she went to bed early. Here also expressing reason, so we have to use connecting word because. She went to bed early because she was very tired. We use so to connect an action with its reason. For example, I studied hard, so I passed the test. Children, connecting word या conjunction so is used to connect an action with its result. In this sentence, I studied hard is the reason and I passed the test is the result or action. Now, next sentence. He played football in the rain, so he got sick. In this sentence, he played football in the rain is the reason. What is the result of it? He got sick. Now, in the third one, she was very tired, so she went to bed early. In this sentence, she was very tired is the reason for she went to bed early. So children, in all these sentences, connecting actions with their reasons. Now, let us do the exercise of the lesson. Make complete and meaningful sentences by joining the words and phrases with the correct connectors. First one, I didn't sleep at last night. I feel very tired. Which connecting word we can use to join these two sentences? We can use so. Because here I didn't sleep at all last night is the reason, and what is the result or action of it? I feel very tired. So we have to use the connecting word so here. I didn't sleep at all last night, so I feel very tired. Now second, don't worry, we can do the project tonight, tomorrow morning. Which connector we can use here? We can use or, because this sentence shows a choice between tonight or tomorrow morning. Don't worry, we can do the project tonight or tomorrow morning. Now, third one. Yesterday, I had to do my homework. Help my sister with her sums. Children, this sentence shows similar work. So, we have to use connecting word and here. Yesterday, I had to do my homework and help my sister with her sums. Now, fourth, you can come at 9 o'clock. Please don't be late. These two sentences we can join with the connector but because these two sentences are something which are opposite in nature. You can come at 9 o'clock, but please don't be late. Now next, fifth one, shall we play a game? Go for a walk. These two sentences shows the choice. What are the choice here? A game, a walk. So we use the connecting word or to join these two sentences. Shall we play a game or go for a walk? Now sixth one. He played football in the hot sun. He has a headache. Children, in this sentence there is a reason and an action. So we have to use the connecting word so for this sentence. He played football in the hot sun, so he has a headache. Now next one, seventh, I thought she would be angry. She was so nice. This sentence is showing something which are opposite in nature. So we have to use the connecting word but for joining this sentence. I thought she would be angry, but she was so nice. Children, before moving to our next exercise, we will learn about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership of something. That means a possessive adjective tells us that someone owns or possesses something. We use a possessive adjective before a noun. This is my brother. Where is your sister? How much did his car cost? Here, brother, sister, car are nouns. My, your, his are possessive adjectives. So, possessive adjectives come before nouns. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their are possessive adjectives. Now children, let us look at the different sentences. First one, my shirt is green. Over here, the word shirt is a noun because it's a thing. And describing this noun, shirt, is the word my. So, my is telling us whose shirt is it. So, it is showing belonging or possession. So, my is a possessive. At the same time, it is also describing the noun shirt. So, it is an adjective. So, children, the word my is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are the words which modify a noun or by showing a form of possession or belonging to a particular person or thing. So children, these are the words that describe a noun, that is why adjectives. And they show possession or belonging, to whom does it belong or whose it is. That is why it is possessive adjectives. Now children, let us do the next exercise. Your book is new. In this sentence, the word book is a noun and describing this word book is the word your. It is telling us that whose book is this? Whose book is this? Your book. So, your is a possessive adjective. Now next, his pillow is soft. The word pillow is a noun and describing this word pillow is the word his. It is telling us that whose pillow? Whose pillow? His pillow. So, here the word his is a possessive adjective. Now next, her dog is small. Here the word dog is a noun and describing this dog is the word her. So, her is a possessive adjective. Now next, its bone is old. Here, bone is a noun and describing this bone, the word bone is its. So, it is telling us that whose bone? Its bone. So, it is a possessive adjective here. Next, a bird is noisy. Here, the word bird is a noun and describing this word, bird, is the word are. So, are is a possessive adjective in this sentence. Now, next sentence, your house is big. Here, house is a noun and describing this house is the word your and your is a possessive adjective. Now next, their car is slow. Here, car is a noun and describing this word car is the word their and it is telling us that whose car? Their car. So, there is a possessive adjective. Now, let us do the exercise of the lesson. Complete these sentences with my, his, her, its, our, your or their. First, all of us forgot to bring our books. Children, in this sentence, the word books is a noun and describing this word book is the word are. So, are is a possessive adjective. Now, second, they are not disturbing anyone. They are playing in their house. In this sentence, the word house is a noun and describing this word house is the word there. So, there is an adjective that is a possessive adjective. Now, third, Sheena loves her grandfather very much. Here, grandfather is a noun and describing this noun, grandfather, is the word her. So, her is a possessive adjective. Now, fourth, Rumi, may I please borrow your pencil? I forgot to bring my pencil. In this sentence, there are two possessive adjectives and first one, pencil. Pencil is a noun. So, describing this word pencil is the word your. That is a possessive adjective. And next one also pencil. Describing this pencil is the word my. So, my is a possessive adjective. Now, fifth, Raghu says that his dog is not in its kennel. Here, dog is a noun and describing this noun is the word his. So, his is a possessive adjective and kennel also is a noun and describing this word kennel is the word its. So, its is a possessive adjective. Now, let us do the next exercise. Choose the meaning of the phrases in color from the box. Here are some meanings given in the box and there are some phrases in color in the sentences also. You have to choose the correct meaning for the phrases. First one, She does not want to go out for dinner today. She will not change her mind. What is the phrase given in this sentence? Change her mind. What is the meaning for this? Do something different. What is the meaning for this? Do something different. Now second, I don't like sitting in the last row, but you do. Let us change places. In this sentence, change places is the phrase given, and what is the meaning for it? Sit in each other's seats. What is the meaning for it? Sit in each other's seats. Now third, the room looked very crowded, so we changed the chairs around. What is the phrase in this sentence? Change the chairs around. What is the meaning for it? Moved things into different positions. Now fourth one, I will get changed in a minute and then we can live. What is the phrase in this sentence? Get changed. What is the meaning for it? Wear another set of clothes. Before moving to our next exercise, we will revise once again about collective nouns. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things. Children, you have already learnt about collective nouns in the previous session. A group of students is called a class of students. A group of musicians is called a band of musicians. A group of soldiers is called an army of soldiers. A group of singers is called a choir of singers. A group of animals, a group of elephants is called a herd of elephants. A group of sheep is called a flock of sheep. A group of bees is called a swarm of bees. A group of whales is called a pod of whales. Group of places, group of mountains is called a range of mountains. A group of islands is called a chain of islands. A group of things. A group of sticks is called a bundle of sticks. A group of ships is called a fleet of ships. Now, let us do the exercise. Match one word in column A with two words in column B to make phrases that describe a collection. Write the complete phrases in your notebook. In first column, what are the collective nouns given here? Flock, herd, team, bunch. And in the second column, there are nouns. Bananas, players, flowers, oxen, cows, sheep, deer, birds. A flock of birds. A flock of sheep. A herd of cows. A herd of deer. A team of players. A team of oxen. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of flowers. A group of birds is called a flock of birds. A group of sheep is called a flock of sheep. A group of cows is called a herd of cows. And a group of deer is also called a herd of deer. A group of players is called a team of players. And group of oxen is also called a team of oxen. A group of bananas is called a bunch of bananas. Group of flowers also is called a bunch of flowers. Children, before moving to our next exercise, we will learn about singular and plural nouns. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. They can be shown with a number. Children, you have already learnt about countable nouns, singular and plural in the previous session also. Countable nouns have singular and plural form. For example, one cat, two cats, one friend, two friends, one sister, two sisters, one leg, two legs, one boy, two boys. We can count these nouns. So children, let us learn what is a singular noun and what is a plural noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. What is a singular noun? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. What is a plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. Children, most of the nouns form plural by adding s to the singular noun. For example, boys, cats, houses, flowers. Some more examples are bottle, bottles, cup, cups, pencil, pencils, desk, desk, sticker, stickers, window, windows. Some nouns need to add es that end in ch, sh, o, s, s, x, z to get their plural form. For example, ostrich, it is ending with ch. So you have to add es to this word, ostriches. Second, dish. It is ending in sh. So you have to add es, dishes. Mango, it's ending in o. So you have to add es, mangoes. Bus, it is ending in s. So you have to add es, buses. Princess, it is ending in s. So you have to add es to princess. Quiz, it is ending in z, so you have to add quizzes, es. Now, fox, it is ending in x, so you have to add es to this word, foxes. However, some nouns ending in o form their plural in the normal way, like auto. We never use es for auto. It's ending in o, but we have to add only s to this word, autos. Piano. Piano also takes only s, pianos. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. For example, country, it is ending with y. Before y, there is a consonant r. So, you have to remove y and in place of y, you have to add I, then es. Same way, city. City also ending in y. Before that, there is a consonant T. So you have to remove y and in place of y, you have to add I and es. The noun that ends in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by adding of s. For example, key. It is ending with y, but before that y there is a vowel e. So you have to add only s to this word. Monkey. It is ending with y. Before it there is a vowel e. So you have to add only s. To form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. If the word is ending in f or fe, we have to replace that word f or fe with ves. Like wolf, we have to remove f and then we have to write ves, wolves. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Children, some words ending in f form their plural in the normal word. For example, chef, chefs, it takes only s. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, deer, bison, sheep, etc. Some plural nouns are irregular and their spellings need to be memorized. Like child, children, woman, women, man, men, mouse, mice, goose, geese. Now, let us do the exercise of the lesson. Write the plural forms of these words. Woman, women. Bus, buses. Child, children. Story, stories. Knife, knives. Match, mats. Tooth, teeth. Key, keys. Letter, letters. House, houses. Children, here the words woman, child, tooth are irregular nouns. So they form different plurals. Now second one, bus, it ends in s. So you have to add es to bus. Story, fourth one, that is ending in y and before y there is a consonant. So you have to replace y into I and you have to add es. Fifth, knife, it is ending in fe. So you have to replace fe into ves. Now sixth, match, it is ending in ch. So you have to add es to this noun. Now, eighth, key. It is ending in y, but before y there is a vowel. So you have to add only s to this noun. Now, ninth one, letter. It takes only s. Then, house. It also takes only s. I hope children, all these exercises are clear to you. Now there is a small homework. Make 5 sentences using conjunction words. Children, we will meet you soon with another lesson. Till then, take care.